I'm California DUI defense attorney Michael Becker with Schaus Law Group. Normally, if you're charged with DUI here in California, it's only a misdemeanor. Most of the time on a first offense, there's no jail time at all. But if you're under the influence and you cause an accident in which someone else is injured, then you can be charged with DUI with injury under Vehicle Code Section 23153. This crime is what's called a Wobbler, which means it could be filed as a misdemeanor or a felony, depending on the circumstances. But if it's filed as a felony, you could be sent to prison for up to 4 years, and sometimes even more than that if you caused a very significant injury. How serious the case is and what the sentence is likely to be depends on 4 factors. One is whether or not you have prior DUIs. Secondly, how high your blood alcohol content was. Third, how reckless the driving was. If you were going 100 miles per hour down a suburban street and ran a stop sign, then it's a lot more serious, obviously. And fourth, the most important factor in determining the seriousness of the case is the extent of injuries to the victim. If a person suffers broken bones or a concussion or paralysis, then the prosecutors may seek years in state prison. However, the burden is always on the state to prove guilt. And in a DUI with injury case, the prosecution has the burden to prove 2 things. 1, that the person was under the influence, and 2, that he or she is at fault for the accident. And that's not always clear. And oftentimes, police and prosecutors may rush to judgment and blame the drunk driver without thoroughly investigating who was really at fault. An experienced DUI defense lawyer can critically analyze the evidence, hire accident reconstruction experts, and poke holes in the prosecutor's case on both the alleged intoxication and the fault of the collision. Many times, skilled lawyers can get a felony DUI charge reduced or dismissed by raising reasonable doubts. If you've been arrested or charged with a DUI-related offense, it's absolutely critical that you consult with a skilled and experienced DUI attorney right away. We invite you to contact us at Schaus Law Group for a free consultation. We will not only help fight your charges, but help you to avoid a DMV-imposed license suspension.